Hello brothers, sisters, you're KAKO. So this is a part 2 of the KAKO video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the packaging and the process, how they process KAKO, salted fish that we have in Ghana, the most popular and famous salt fish that we have in Ghana, West Africa. And this is coming from Senegal, Lincoln, by our Ghanaian fishermen who have migrated from Ghana to Gambia to Senegal to do this business. So before I start this video, I want to clarify something. There's been a video circulating that they use sea snake to prepare KAKO or salted fish, and I want to boldly clarify or state that that video is false, okay, or that statement in that video or what people have been hearing that they use sea snake to prepare KAKO is false. So the type of sea fish that they use to prepare KAKO or salted fish are the ray family. So one is called stingray and torpedo ray. Sometimes they also use shark to prepare KAKO. And for those of you who believe that they use snake to prepare KAKO, I would like to ask you, what snake has this kind of size or shape? Let me know in the comment section.
I said tancha no be na be na mo use ko be na o use shark
shark no na yenyi
okay
yenyi ne bebre nti we ja nya ya Ghana town ha no ye use shark net bi
o mo shark net it's tancha no ndo
ne net na ye
okay
nti sepempo a motu makasa
and ye pa na akohwe
very good sene no ne wo friend ne net na we nti sene no otumo pa osumo pa tancha otumo pa you were friend Mesa Mango.
Okay, so I'm different train over
there. We no shark no po bi wo hon ma bo na kuribi na abosogba.
Okay. So as you can see, the net for the fishing. Now let's go to the process of how they process KAKO from Gambia or Senegal to Ghana, and also the packaging and everything. So stick and stay, and this is also for those who want to do business from Gambia or Senegal. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. It's very important to share our KAKO.
Hello brothers, sisters. Yeah, this is Cooking with Sindaco. Now I'm back again. So I'm in Senegal, a place called Lincoln, and over here, or today, I'll be showing you how they process KAKO salted fish that we have in Ghana. 90% of salted fish that we have in Ghana come from this place called Lincoln. So I was in Gambia, Ghana town, because I know that that's where KAKO was originally from. But then when I got there, they told me that the business has gone down. Okay, so they've all migrated to Lincoln, Senegal. So I traced to come here to show you guys how everything is done. And man, it's amazing. Like, you see the space and the work that they are doing over here is great. So I have here Mr. Ima. Yeah, boss man, how go? You're too cool. Yeah, so I'm here today to find out the whole thing. Why from Gambia to Ghana, Senegal?
Senegal, okay. Like you said, the business started in Gambia.
Yeah.
All the KAKO that you see around Ghana, that's the origin.
Yeah.
But as time goes on, the business has gone down a bit.
Okay.
So our people just migrated to Senegal here, Lincoln. This is a village called Lincoln. So this is where now they are getting much of the catch.
Okay.
So most of the people in Ghana town now, they've migrated here to Lincoln. But still, as you know, the mother is still a mother. Yeah, so still most Gambia or Ghana town is still the mother. And then all these Lincoln, Jogger, there's another village you need to cross the river to go. And some are in Freetown, Guinea, and other places. All those places, they know that their mother is Ghana town. So that is it. So that's the KAKO. You see, you can see the dry ones here.
Okay.
Yes, as it's dry, this is how you see. They are different fish. I don't know most of them. They are.
So this is called stinger.
These ones are the shark. You can see these things are here.
Baby shark.
Yeah.
Wow, so, baby shark,
I tell you,
so amazing. So what's the process? So after the fish is being caught, what's the process?
Yes, when they bring it, the fishermen most of the time they dissect it and then remove the fins and other things. Yeah. So when they bring it on shore, then the woman will now take over.
Okay.
So the woman will now salt it.
Okay.
Package and then make sure the salt, get into it properly.
Okay.
Then after a day, they will dry it on these things you see here.
Okay.
They will dry them. And then after drying, then the men take over again.
Okay.
That is the bagging.
The bagging.
Yeah. So basically, it's like that. And then when they bring it fresh also from the sea, the women, they know what to do with it.
Okay.
That's the time they would dissect, remove everything, and then put the salt.
Wow.
So it's the men and the woman
both
doing it together. Everybody have
something to
part
do
to play. Yeah.
Wow. So meaning right now that we're speaking, like all the KAKO that we have in Ghana is now coming from Lincoln, this is Senegal.
Yeah, mostly.
So
Elenken and Joge.
Joge. So Joge too is here. The base is here. Now. So that means Joge is not that huge that like here.
No, it's not huge like here because most of those in Joge they bring it add it here for the shipment. Wow.
Okay, so the shipment also do take place over here.
Yeah, that's the shipment. You see the car there. I mean, from tomorrow going, they will start packing it there.
Wow.
So this Elenken, is where most of the Ghanaians now have migrated.
Wow. But is it because I still don't get it? Why did the business in Gambia went down? Because if that's the main context, the business going, people were buying. How come it went down like that? Yeah, is it because they were not getting fish or what?
Yeah, the fish. As you catch the fish, it will be a time you will not be able to get as before.
Okay.
So what happened was when they even came here, like they will be here and work for about 6 months.
Okay.
Then they will pack all the fish they get here, put in the canoe and come to Gambia.
Okay.
To do the loading there.
Okay.
But as time goes on, they saw that it's expensive and it's a waste of time.
Yeah.
So they started looking for ways that they can do the shipment from here.
Okay.
And so when they also knew how to do the shipment from here, the car will come and then take it. Now they saw that there's no need for them to bring the fish back to Ghana town and all those ones. So now it's like here also they have their independent now.
Okay.
So they are running their affairs from here.
Okay. So as you said, because as time goes on, when you catch fish, as time goes on, the
catch was not much.
So that means some years to come, here to the fish, like the fish will go down, and maybe they will go back to Ghana town again.
Yeah. Sometimes the process is even going on.
Okay.
Because last month in Gambia we got some catch.
Okay.
And this place they didn't get the catch. Some of the canoe came there.
Back again.
Exactly.
Okay.
So the thing is rotational.
Rotational, okay.
Yeah, but one thing I think is that I think all these areas they should have paid homage to Ghana town. Whether you do shipment anywhere, at least you should have gotten our percentage
over there.
I think you agree with me.
I do, but they are citizens from Ghana town, right?
Most of them here. There are only few people who come directly from Ghana to this place
to work.
But I can say that about 80% of the people here
we're from Ghana town.
Wow. So that is it.
Wow. Amazing.
Yes.
Man, amazing conversation, and I'm taking you around to see the process of how they do KAKO salted fish. Your favorite KAKO, as a fancy man, KAKO should be in your food. It's a must. You can never be a fancy man without loving KAKO. Maybe the percentage like 1% to 0.5.
You can see how it's going now. Now they have this big place, and all these things that you see, there are people owning them. They dry their fish.
Wow.
Fish like that.
So if someone wants some, they can get some direct from here, right? From Ghana?
Of course. Okay. Anywhere you are in the world, if you want to get the KAKO, it's available. You just have to get the connection. Exactly, get the contact, and then people can direct you to know how you can get it. But it's available.
Okay. So the contact will be on the screen, and if you want to do KAKO business, you can call any of them, then have business with it. So let's talk about the bargain. Yeah. How is the bargain there? How is it? How is it the packaging?
Yeah, the packaging is like they have a number of how do you call it?
Pieces, okay.
Yeah, that they put in the sack.
Okay.
We sack it.
Okay.
So like the size, how you cut it. Okay. At least there should be 60 pieces.
That's the minimum.
Sack. Yeah, that's the minimum.
That means can be more.
Exactly. Okay. So there are some, maybe if the pieces are not that much big, then you will need to add some, because the more you make your fish, at least the more the bag is good. That's the time when it goes to Ghana also. Okay. You can get good market. Okay. So people are not the same. There are some people you see that their bag, they would like to fill it. Yeah, make it very full. Exactly. Okay. So it's like that. And then as you get there, as it gets to Ghana, the people that are going to sell your fish for you, if you make it good for them, then they will also be happy, and then they can do business with you.
Okay. So it's all about the bargain.
Yeah, mostly 60 pieces.
So like is this like kind of a normal size? Yeah,
normal size.
This is a normal size of one.
Normal size, exactly.
So one 60 of these.
60 of these.
Or more.
Yeah, exactly.
Like minimum of 60 or more.
Minimum of 60.
Wow.
60 is the minimum.
Wow. Yes. Man, look at this one.
Yes.
This is huge.
Yes.
This is really huge.
Yes.
Look at
Yes.
Tantra. So I'm here in Elenken, Senegal. They have the salt over here. And wow, so salt is being displayed inside. Only Kasa. Only KAKO. Senegal. Over there, about many years ni?
Oh, remember her,
30 years?
Yes.
She's been here for the past 30 years doing salted fish. KAKO. Mamma mia. Mommy, Itako Ghana.
Oh, I am a
Itako. Wow, 30 years. Wow. So this.
I am a Panama, Banty, Ashen in Chines war.
Yeah.
A pie hat and what on.
I know what you
Young rubber Bruno, sir, or the so black. None so yet they are hatted.
So this is how they do the arrangements of the fish. Okay, so as you can see, shark. Look at the teeth, baby shark. Man, look at that. So they arrange. It's a day and a bed and I
yes, one thing.
I'll come. It's me. I'm saying, yeah, I sing and okay. Or to 1. Wash and chicken cake. We were inside. Wow. It's 8 days to take how many days I send an hour. 3 days.
3 days. 3 days. 4 days.
4 days now. Okay, it's no way. Okay, so Matado. Okay, so what she's saying that in the rainy season it takes a long time before it gets dry. But in the what you call is too much sun. 3 days it will be dry. So you see that they've been packed in layers, yeah. So tomorrow they'll come and separate everything. So it will only on one layer. So this is just to allow the salt to sink inside well. Man, some have been here since 2004 doing this business. That lady is 30 years that she has been doing this. Yeah, so this is some of the bargain or the packaging. Hey, your job is to it be about 300. As you can see, this is the bargain. Let me go back for you guys to see. Man, hey, blue bottle. No, this is more than 60. This is more than 60. This is more than 60. Man, for the look of things, this is like 300 pieces. So after bargain, they write your name on top or on it. Okay, man, look at this. Man, this is more than 60. This is more than 60. Different sizes. But in Chile, Dakar, Senegal. Okay. So I was asking if this is a normal salt, the one that we eat. They said yes, and it comes from Dakar. So now that they've done everything, they'll cover it so that the heat can melt the salt inside inside the fish. Wow. So this car came from Ghana. As you can see the normal plate. We are in Senegal, but we have GH over here. So meaning it came all the way from Ghana to this place. This is more than 40-liter container.
So you see how they pack it. So after bagging, they just pack it like this. You understand? So when the car comes, then they can just pack it inside the car.
So as you can see, when we have names, our Ajua also BB 17. Hey, BB have what 17 pieces?
No, that's
the brand name. Wow. So all these things you over here is the bad one already packaged, going inside this trailer to Ghana, and it's going to Mankasim. Okay. Amazingly amazing. Binta. So it is what it is. It is what it is. And if you look over there, it looks empty.
Yeah, the reason why you see those places empty is that the ones that they were drying on them are ready. Okay. So they've bagged them already. Okay. So you see that when they bag it, they will come and pack it
every here.
For
transportation.
Okay. So as you see, and then at this time, most of the canoes are on sea.
Okay, going for new fish.
I was told that they are going for new, and I was told maybe from Monday going they will be coming. Okay. So when the canoes are off like that, this place is not too busy.
Okay. Yeah. Because they're all here going to Ghana. Exactly. Wow.
Yeah, that's why I told you the business is going.
Over here.
I was here, and then they park a food truck.
A food truck.
This week also.
A different truck. So that means every week there's something that goes on.
That's almost every 2 weeks.
Every 2 weeks there's a package, like what you call a transportation.
Exactly.
Wow. Yeah, so for Shizimaniz, cooking with Sindaco, Senegal Diaries, what do you call it? Elenkin, KAKO, salted fish. Man, it is what it is. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is your first time watching, kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. KAKO from Senegal, Elenkin. And if you want to do KAKO business, call the number on your screen and man, you'll be sorted. For Shizimaniz, cooking with Sindaco, I'm out. For Shizimaniz. Thank you, Mr. Yuba. All right. Okay. For Shizimaniz.